Hey, hi Bangalore, Namaskara. This is Suman from Dr. AV Riswa. So now I came up with an Pioneer Make VSX 322 5.1 channel AV receiver, which is entry level for in a Pioneer segment. So this is what internal thing: HDMI board, amplifier section, transformer, auxiliary power, and here front display, same as in all AV receiver. So this is all the common parts and all. And backside also input section, normal input output section. So actually to in this particular AV receiver, so there is an issue with the sound output. So like a crackling sound completely, there is a lot of like a high crackling sound output. And this we have received from the Bangalore, one of the YouTube blogger. So from them, he, after watching my YouTube channel, so he have directly came to me. So now we have done I'm in the process of diagnosing, and just to share the thing and all, I'm doing a small I'm made video and all. So as per my knowledge, I'm sharing. If any small wrong also, please kindly give an info just drop your comments on your comment section, so that I will maintain it. And here, so here you can see the connection here, connection bus. And just now I'm gonna show you the input and output. And here I have connected the oscilloscope. This is what we called oscilloscope for a checking for measuring, checking, for viewing a signal. So in audio segment, in audio rectification, this is most important for a signal level repairing thing and all. So in local, they will do directly, they will change the IC without checking the signal pulse, whatever the clock pulse, anything directly they will do. That's their thing. But here I'm being a professional, we are trying to give in completely professional, so we are maintaining that. So that is the secondary part. So this is what the oscilloscope, I think many people know about that. And now I have connected, and this is what the input and output bus, signal bus. So completely system in turn on condition, have selected the cable satellite and given a one in input, and the input will be 1 kilohertz. So now I'm gonna show you the input. Kindly just observe the screen over there. So I will show the input and output. So output, there is a lot of disturbance, so kindly notice that. I will show it also. So here you will get a input. So this is what input. So I think you can see, right? Okay, so this is what the input uh, input, right? So this is analog input. So this is what we call analog input, right? 1 kilohertz input at VPP will be 2.0, 2 volts VPP will be there. So average will be 350, 340 millivolts will be there. So this is right channel input, and this is a main input, main analog input, and this is the right input. So this is a left analog input. And coming here, now you will get, you will whatever the wave you will, now you will, will see, this is completely output section. Now this is left and this is right input, analog input. Now I'm going to show you the output, main output. This is front right. So this is what the jarring. So I think you have seen that. Yes, this is jarring. So complete jarring is there. So this is the main issue with the system, this specific system. This is front right, and this is a front left, and this is surround right. So this is what, see, you can see, right? This is a jarring thing. So there is no signal, good signal over here. The complete IC, the part has gone bad. That's the reason we are getting like that jarring thing and all. And this is surround right, and this is surround left. So even surround left also not working, like a jarring is there. Only center is okay, but even center also very low dB. So at nearly it should give a 2 voltage, like a 2 volt VPP, but we are getting only nearly 1.7, 1.4, many fluctuations are there. So somehow it will giving a 2, somehow it's not giving. And frequency, you can observe the frequency also, it's not reaching 1 kilohertz. It's not in a stable actually. So this is what the exact issue here. So this is input. So input, you can see the stable of input, the right and left, and these are the issue. And before that, before making this video, I have done the capacitor changing here. So I have done all capacitor recapping here. So I have this all are capacitor from the Nichicon, good capacitor for audio purpose. So I have done, but still it's persist. That's the reason I'm going, like I'm sharing this information for a rectification for a further thing and all. And now I'm gonna change the IC here. This is what we call the PCMIC, pulse code modulation, and here you will get a DAC, digital to analog conversion. So whatever input, so in this it's an basic amplifier. Just I'm gonna like in the block diagram, in the how the block diagram in the manner of I will just share the thing, like how the signal will come and what will the process, like that simple, in simple manner. I won't go in the depth also. So have given input here. So in before input directly through the selector IC we will get it, selection will be there, like because we have to switch the selector like cable sat, BD DVD, game, like that. So after this thing, okay, selectors IC, so the complete the input will come here. This is what the input, left right analog thing. So after that, so directly from this capacitor, I think you can see, so these two capacitor, the signal will enter to this PCMIC. So after the PCMIC, completely the signal will come here. The processing will happen. So based on the comment what we given, like a Dolby, ProLogic or ProLogic 2 or Cinema, whatever the based on that it will do the process, and again it will go here and I will come here and it will split the digital to analog. This is what we called analog DAC. DAC means DAC, digital to analog conversion. So it will convert the digital signal because this is DSP, which stands for digital sound processor or signal processor. Usually we call it signal processing. So here after processing the digital signals, so directly comes here and again here. So here we will get a separation of audio, like a DAC, like what I said, from digital to analog. Again here in the beside below this, for a low amp, like a low voltage, it will again it will boost small voltage to little bit. It will add some strength to the voltage. Here we have a 4558 op amp. So below this caps and all, so these two caps stands for one channel. So here we will get, after that we will get a direct in this thing what output. So direct output from here, it will go to downboard means sideboard is there, directly from this ribbon cable. So it will fed to here, and again there is some volume control also. Okay, you have to add that base table control thing and all. So it will fed to this amplifier section. This is what basic thing. So basic thing, because basic amplifier easily you can know the controlling thing and all. So that's the reason. So I hope now till now what I have said, so if I hope you have understand. So if anything wrong in my explanation, kindly I request you to drop your comments. I will change the way of explanation or whatever it, please. Thank you and all for watching our YouTube the video what I am done now. So I think I hope you got what I write what I done now and all. So this is a basic amplifier, basic explanation I have done, I think. So thank you and all. Please kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our Instagram page for more videos related to like this kind of thing and all. So kindly drop your message like regarding how you require a video and all. But as of now I'm only showing a daily basis what I'm doing and all. This is the first video I'm showing what I'm going repairing process, tricks and all. So because it requires a lot of time and all, now I think so 9 minutes I have done the video and all. So that's the reason I'm not maximum, I'm not, I won't do the long videos and all. So if anyone requests, kindly do that too also. I will try my best. Thank you and all. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel, Instagram thing and all. So and we are located in Elahanka, Chikkabamsandra. So if anyone requires in a professional way of service, so kindly do contact. And not only service, we have a sales also. Don't think only we give only service and all. We have a sales also till Macintosh, NAD, Arkham, Anthem, everything we have in a lot of discount also. So kindly do contact Dr. Avery. So thank you and all. Bye bye.